guys, it's April. This is your annual supporter file for the 12 Days of Christmas in July for the 27th, 2022. So I just love these. I'm calling these penguins on ice cubes. It's so stinking cute. These are the, let's see, the Ferrero collection, and it has the white Raffaellos, however you pronounce those. I'm probably slaughtering it, but it has those in the pack, and you can find these individually too. So I'm using the white ones out of there as like a little snowball in the ice cube, and then I have the cute little penguin on top. And he looks like he might be singing. It's so cute. I love it. But we're going to put these together. I'm using the Cricut foil acetate and the pinpoint sampler, but you can use whatever you have. I'm using the little diamonds out of there. You can get 4 of these out of one print and cut. And well, you could probably get more of the print and cuts out of a sheet. I just did 4 and they fit perfectly. And 4 of the boxes. And I've got those attached in the file for you. You might have a little tick mark here on this little edge, getting it to break loose. I didn't design the box, but I doctored it and I missed that. Don't forget to take off your liner off of your acetate. One side has a liner. You can see how much more brighter and clear that's going to be. And you want to remove that, get that off of there. And then before you do anything else, the curved edge right there, you'll see like a curved edge. That's the bottom, okay? So this would be the bottom with the curved pieces. These 2 pieces are your top. So you can tell the top from the bottom. I don't know that it matters, but just in case. I'm using some red line tape for my acetate. This is just a double-sided red line tape, and you can find it readily at Amazon or any of your craft stores. And I'm just going to place a piece below my score line. You may not be able to see that score line on camera, but it's there. If you are using an Explore machine or other machine and you don't have the double or the single scoring wheel or the double scoring wheel, I use the single. That's all it asks for. You're going to have to really pay attention to those score lines with your scoring stylus, but you can still do it. It shouldn't be a problem. You'll just have to pay attention, and it's not going to fold as easily without that double or that single score line. Again, I use the single. That's all you need, just 2 little pieces, and this is the 1/3 inch. So I just use my bone folder and press that down so it sticks really good. And now we're going to fold. And on this top tab, this is the top. You have 1 fold there, and if you start folding on these, if you use the scoring wheel, it's going to just follow along and fold for you, okay? You don't have to fold it crisp and everything. We're going to be folding it back out and things like that. So just let it fold. It's going to be crisp enough for what we're doing here. All right, just fold them down. So on the top and the bottom, and then right here you have a small tab on this side. And I'm going to bring this up. So you have 1 tab here, you have the tab here, and then these 3 and these 3. Then you're going to kind of open it back up and you're going to fold. And again, if you use the scoring wheels, it's basically going to fold for you. Okay. So you end up with your little box like this. And now we're going to open that back up. We're going to take this piece off first. Just get that release liner off of it. All right, so we got that out of the way. And once you have that done, I'm just going to fold this in and bring this up to it and make sure that I've got it lined up and my edges meet. Keeping it square. the great thing is with the red line tape, if you miss the mark, don't get it square, you can pull it back apart and reposition. So now that I have that in there, and like I said, I didn't design this, so it has like a little bow in there, so just be careful, you don't want to bend it there. And we're just going to flatten that back out. Now we're going to come down here where this piece is, which is the bottom of our box, and tuck these two pieces down, okay? Just so that they're not sticking up in your way. And then we're going to peel that liner right off of there. This is so stinking easy and simple, and it's so cute. It's adorable. Get rid of that red line release liner, and then you're going to place that tab in and make sure that it's flush along the bottom, and then just bring your bone folder in and give that a press down just so it stays. Take your candy and drop it inside, and then you can fold those two folds over the tabs and just set it to the side. Then you're going to get your little penguins, and you need to pay attention because they are mirrored. You can see that his little arm is over here, and this one is down. And that's so that we can glue them together. So if you're doing 4, make sure that you have the right ones to line up before you start gluing. Don't go past, don't glue this tab at the bottom. You don't want to put glue there. Just on his little body, his feet, and his arms. And then you're just going to line that up. And it's easy just to line up this tab at the bottom. You get it together, everything else should follow. And then you can open up that tab, just like so. Okay, super easy. Don't glue the tab, just glue his little body. All right, and now you're going to take, I'm using just a tape runner, and I'm putting it on the snowflake that has the hole in it. Okay, now in the file, it shows 2 holes. And the holes are prominent. They're there. I can see the grid behind them, but for whatever reason, mine only cut 1 hole. If yours cuts 2, that's fine. I'm going to go in and take one of them out, as a matter of fact, because you don't need it. You just don't need 2. But if you want to put 2 in there, then you can separate them and put 1 tab in each hole. It's just not needed. So I think I'm just going to take it out. And then I'm just going to fold. I just got it flat. Okay. Fold 1 tab down and then open it up and press the other one down. That's it. Just press the tabs down and then he'll stand back up. I like to hold it between my fingers and put a little bit on those 2 little tabs, but it's probably not necessary. Just do it carefully if you do it. I'm going to close my box lid. And I'm going to place him right in the center. And I'm just going to open up the lid, give it a press down to make sure that it's good and stuck. Okay. And then I have this one that doesn't have a hole in it. And we're going to put our tape runner on that. You don't have to do this step. I mean, it's not bad. You can see the little tabs, but I like the finished look of the snowflake once it's opened up. So just line up your snowflake, press it down, and that way you have it covered in the center there. And then you can close the little box. How stinking cute is that? I just love it, love it, love it. So these are so cute on a party table or your party decor for favors for your guests. Super cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Can't wait to see what you do. And guys, you can change this out. You can make him a snowman. You can do all sorts of things. So I can't wait to see what you do with this file. Please make it and post your photos. Catch you on the next video. Happy crafting!